Good morning. It's Vijay here. Today is 30th December 2025, a Tuesday when the settlement for the weekly, monthly, and the quarterly happens on the NSC. And we should see some action today, especially in the last half an hour. But as we speak, the bulls have been very tired. They've been exhausted. They're trying their best to close the Nifty about 26,100, but they are failing repeatedly. So we have to see what will happen today. But today is going to be an important day because it is the settlement day. Now, I'll open up with what FIS and DIS did. FIS continue to sell. Maybe that is the reason why the markets are not able to go up in the last few days. Normally, you will see a Santa Claus rally leading into the new year. This is one of those rare times when there is volatility, but it is not able to go up. So we still have 2 days effectively, but the bulls have already given up because every time they take it up, the bears come and hammer them. Usually, the third force is to do, but this time the FIs are ruling the roost. 2760 crores yesterday selling. DIS could buy only 2,640 crores, so net was 116 crores. Net selling, the only saving grace is the third force was not there. So Nifty fell third straight session, dipped below 26,000, dragged by Adani Ports and HCL Tech. Mid cap also declined 3 sessions in a row. Most sectoral indices ended in the red. Declines outnumbered advances. Volumes were significant at 1 lakh 4,000 crores. Sectoral indices came down. Metals came down significantly. In the morning, metals looked, that they're going for the sky. Metals led by silver, copper, aluminium, everything came down yesterday. So metals was a real bad, metal holders were a real bad situation. And we hold 70% of our portfolio in metals. It's okay. These things do happen. FMCG was the lone gainer. And today, Gift Nifty is lower, which means we could have one more day where the bulls have to battle, and these bulls are exhausted as of now. US futures are steady. US markets also ended lower. Dow Jones fell 250 points. Tech also fell significantly, but they all were away from the lows. Significant thing in global markets was the way silver behaved in India. The ETF, the leading ETFs, gold, silver bees fell 20% from its high within minutes, and then it bounced back to close at 10%, away from the highs and the lows midpoint, still slightly lower than what happened the previous day. So today, I think a lot of silver bugs are there who will be looking at silver and trying to decipher what will happen. Uh, Experienced observers talk about till January 8th, this volatility will last because there is a rebalancing of commodity indices in the US on January 8th. So we should expect tumultuous times. We are very bullish. We will continue to buy on decline. We feel that silver. The other day I said when the head of ICICI said, the CIO who said maybe around 65, 66 is when he said. And when I read the interview, it had already gone to $74. He would have mentioned this in the interview around $65 because the previous week it was 62 to $65. So I was expecting even at 74, this silver should outperform equity markets in 2026. Now, we cannot say it will. I'm saying it should based on my analysis. So it is a possibility I could go wrong, but right now my analysis says that 74. In fact, yesterday it has closed there at 73. 73 is still not the final peak in my opinion, though it fell from $83. Now you had U.S. President creating some issues. He said Powell should be sued and he's going to get a replacement as early as January. So that may create some problem in the new year. Right now, volumes are low. Markets may not bother about it, but you will see volatility coming back in a big manner in January. It could be also good volatility. It is not that volatility means it will only come down. It could go up also. What else? European markets were steady. Brent came down to $61. So even though Venezuela problem is there, but Brent is not really going up. Gold was steady. Gold actually fell down from 4,500 and odd to 4,350, and right now it is trading about 4,330. Zinc, aluminum, everything fell down with copper. So if we look at stocks, what are the stocks which are likely to be in the limelight? BEL received an orders worth about 569 crores. Yesterday there was this meeting on defense. I think 40,000 crores were allocated. BEL, this is separate. So BEL and other defense stocks are likely to be in focus in a positive manner. Rail Vikas Nigam, RVNL, got another order. Cupid, they're going to start FMCG manufacturing plant in Saudi Arabia, so that could be in focus. Lloyd's Engineering is doing a merger. I hate mergers, so that could be in focus. Normally, I'm negative on mergers. Then maybe the star of the day will be Lupin, which is one of our favorite stocks. They have got an exclusive licensing agreement with Gan and Lee Pharmaceuticals for novel GLP-1 receptor agonist bofanglutide. My God, it's so difficult to pronounce. My pharma friend, Mr. Mani, mentioned this to me in the morning, and I put it up here. And I think that should be good news for Lupin. Lupin is one of the really stronger pharma stocks, very subdued. Nobody talks about it, but slow and steady wins the race as far as Lupin is concerned. Then on the negative side, Timex has increased its OFS. Now it has gone to 9% close to 9%. So mutual funds will buy it. Retail investors will lose the money. That is how the mutual fund sahi nahi hai is the slogan it should be for 2026. That is likely to be the slogan. Mutual funds sahi nahi hai. Then lock-in period is ending for quite a few companies. Base Digitech and Ellen Barry Industrial Gases lock-in period ends, so you will see some activity there. Nazara Tech SBI mutual fund has sold about 2.43% stake, which they had in Nazara Tech. That's gone, so there could be negativity there. The interesting point and something to look forward is PM Modi is meeting leading economists and experts today at 11 a.m. at Niti Aayog. Something good may come out of it. This is leading up to the budget, and lots of suggestions are expected from the industrialists and economists. And I'm sure the Prime Minister will pragmatically receive it, and hopefully will get something good out of it. So that is what is the agenda for the day. I'm off trading, intraday trading for 3 days at least. So yesterday we didn't do, today we're not doing, and tomorrow also we're not doing. I may be out of station also till Tuesday. But whatever you do, I hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me.